Mudekar, and I work as a program manager for Ettractive. So right now I am handling a couple of projects. Usually I plan the tasks and help to find out the budget of the project and tracking the progress of the work with other engineers working on the project. So currently we have a couple of cool projects going on with Ettractive. So we are converting the IC engine vehicles to the electric vehicles, and we have some internal projects going on too, where we are trying to build one electric vehicles with autonomous features, for example ADAS and all that new fancy stuff. The Ettractive is a new company in electrification of vehicles, and the whole world is moving to the inclining to the same field. So I find that's pretty good fit for me, as long as I am having the technical background with some program management skills. So I didn't find any good company in GTA, or you can say in Toronto. So I think Windsor is the automotive hub, as we have a neighborhood in Detroit. So I think that was the main reason to find good automotive companies in Windsor. So that was the main reason to move to Windsor.